Chapter 16. Using Microsoft Excel to make company investment decisions. Introduction. Chapter 16 explores the use of Microsoft Excel as a powerful tool for making investment decisions in companies. It focuses on how Excel can be utilized to calculate the net present value, or NPV, and internal rate of return, or IRR, of investment projects. The chapter also introduces the concept of an NPV profile, which allows companies to assess the sensitivity of their investment decisions to changes in financing costs. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you should be able to 1. Calculate NPV and IRR using Excel. 2. Understand how to create an NPV profile using Excel. 3. Evaluate the financial viability of potential projects using NPV and IRR. Key points. Excel provides a convenient and versatile tool for automating the calculation of NPV and IRR. NPV is calculated by discounting future cash flows to their present value and summing them. IRR is the discount rate that sets the present value of cash inflows equal to the present value of cash outflows. Excel's NPV function calculates the sum of the present values of cash flows, excluding the initial investment. Excel's IRR function correctly includes the initial investment in its calculation. An NPV profile can be created in Excel to assess the sensitivity of investment decisions to changes in financing costs. Real-world application. One real-world application of using Excel for investment decisions is in the evaluation of capital spending projects. Companies often need to assess the financial viability of potential projects and determine their NPV and IRR. By using Excel, companies can quickly and easily calculate these metrics and make informed decisions about which projects to pursue. This allows them to allocate their resources effectively and maximize their long-term profitability. Conclusion. Chapter 16 demonstrates how Excel can be a powerful tool for making investment decisions in companies. By using Excel to calculate NPV and IRR, companies can assess the financial viability of potential projects and make informed decisions about resource allocation. The ability to create an NPV profile in Excel also allows companies to evaluate the sensitivity of their investment decisions to changes in financing costs. By mastering these Excel techniques, you will be equipped to contribute to the financial success of your organization and make informed investment decisions.